Rest on top my body. Rest on top my body. Rest on top my body.
This shit hard though. Come on, man. Stars in the roof. And I know they're not gonna race. Match the stars in the roof. Oh, you know they're not gonna race you? They're not gonna race you.
It's your boy Bright, back with a video. Host our own car show today, me and the guys. I'm saying on some simple shit, fuck you to my. Y'all stay in Palm Beach, pop out to our next one. This shit, we just got here, we just started it, so it's too early out. Welcome. Yo.
We out here at the tire shop.
Oh, my fault, cuz. My fault, big bro.
Fucking SRT puss ass.
Cut. Can we redo that shit?
Yeah, hey, come close, cut.
Redo that SRT tent. The Lambo tent.
Jokes now.
The Lambo tent right there. That's the low
SRT, yeah. Givenchy, yeah. I feel like I Cyber Z. Said she wanna fuck with me, but now I don't fuck for free. Bitch, you gotta pay the fee. Half of y'all just be cream. Yeah, that shit gon' be. I'm traveling, I'm touring, I'm bowling, I'm schooling, I'm fucking on your horn. I'm in a gut, she roaring. That SRT be soaring. She wanna sit, keep pouring. SRT. Givenchy, she all on me. She all on me.
I don't know. That shit. I don't know about speakers, but
I know my basic shit. I ain't know a speaker head. I want to say this look like a 10, might be a 12.
I got 2 big ass battery packs in the back. I got this. And
Don't?
I put 20 last minute a week.
Yeah?
Yeah, for half the tank.
I spent $300 a week on my Durango.
Word. Let's switch.
Hell nah. What? Look at that trade. This shit slap though.
First intent on the book, like who's that? Who take the rag? I'm doing
I'm in a gut, she roaring. That SRT be soaring. She wanna sit and keep pouring. SRT. Givenchy, she all on me.
SRT been cruising, that case she can't do cruising. Bad bitches want real cruising, bad bitches really want moving. Got a team, so yeah, that be moving. She a bass head, so she be grooving. I'm the chaser, and I don't be choosing. She can bang head, but she got fluent. SRT just cruising, just playing that shit can't cruise. Got a new stick, can't wait to use it. I'm a new stick playing my music. Got a new stick, can't wait to use it. I'm gonna shoot it, I'm gonna abuse it. When my animals, I'm on some shit. My dogs just don't even know the kid, but I got new gas. Put a bad bitch with a new ass. Niggas be talking, they too fast, like bad gas. Since I was from G, I had gas. As out the bitches from Baghdad. As out the wood, but I passed that. Say you want some, but I taxed that. Said that this bitch, but I smashed that.
Y'all, it's wild out here. Oh, snap.
This shit hard.
Oh, snap.
Sure, bitch.
That's nice, bro. Oh,
sir, I had to get the stars in that bitch.
Yes, sir.
Y'all boys, y'all need to conscious for that, sir, bitch.
It's either between this car right here or this car.
For what?
For best looking car. Alright, what's up? What's up? It's your whip right here?
Yeah, bro.
So we see him do the burnout shit. Show us inside real quick. Yo, John. John.
Just to see it.
Hey, let him know. Hey, let him know. So what you think?
With the stars and shit,
Who you got?
I might have to take it. I don't know.
What you mean, like, is the finalists
That's
to win?
Yeah, to win. Look at
That shit hard though.
Come on, man. Stop
The
playing.
stars in the roof.
And I know they're not gonna race me.
Match
That's
the
for
stars
sure.
in the roof. Oh, you know they're not gonna race
No,
you?
they're not gonna race me.
He said he know they're not gonna race him. Man, SCAT might have something to say about that. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of biased on this one because this is what I'm trying to get right here. The one was shaking. This shit crazy. Plus my dog was fucking turning this shit up. That shit hard. You got the red guts on the SCAT too. This shit hard as fuck.
Oh, that red interior.
Who you got?
Yeah, red interior.
That's what
Red
I said.
interior is
With
hard
the
to
suede
beat.
too, bro.
Yeah, that red interior is hard to beat. I ain't gonna lie.
What was out of Infinity, Genesis.
Man, let the kids decide, man.
It's between me, him, and John.
Right, we could let the kids
Let the
decide.
kids decide.
Let the kids decide. Nah, for
Why
real.
you want me to spend me money upon this? What you
Yeah,
talking
put the
about?
cards up in the middle. Let the kids decide.
I was just saying, oh yeah, tell them to all pull up in the middle. Yeah.
Let the kids decide.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with the Challenger for that one. Best looking.
Best looking, definitely.
I love the SCAT.
I love the stars.
It's different.
I
The
like
stars in the roof is hard, but the way it's suede and it's just a Challenger.
My favorite-
He had that bitch spinning. He had
Let me
that
put
shit
it because
lit.
I'm not in this, right?
going through all that extra shit.
Look at the blend.
It just look good, though.
It looked great. It's spinning. Do it, does it?
Everything's different though. You
But
feel
it's like
me?
this car is stock. Like he got this car like this. You know what I'm saying? Well, that car, you put time and money.
The kids ready.
Still, but
We're gonna have 6 kids. They
All
gonna
right,
pick which one
so
got
who
the
you,
best with.
who you got? You got this. So no matter who I vote, that means he won that because it's 2-1.
it's 2-1.
Yeah.
Y'all
Oh,
biased
Reggie?
for real.
Nah, it's just me. It's us three.
Nah,
We
it's
three
y'all
people. It
three.
makes it
Us
hard.
three.
That's
You and Reggie.
No, y'all.
Oh, you are
Us
high.
three?
You are high.
Us three.
Yes.
Yeah, y'all three.
It has to be an odd number. So that means he won.
So we're not going with the kids.
Like, why would I? No, Jen, shut the fuck up.
Bro, the kids are the future,
You
man.
can't pick yo.
Yeah, for emphasis.
Yo, you want 50?
Gleefully. Hey, 50 bucks. You about to change your life, bro. Bro, make sure you don't spend it all in the same place. Go get you an LLC, a business, all that shit. I already know, bro.
He barely doing right there, boy. It was a little biased. I ain't gonna lie, but it's straight.
Shout out, on the shout
That
out.
red suede. That red suede.
Stars are nice though.
The red suede is hard to
The
beat.
stars is definitely hard. $50 from a dog. Big money. Yeah.
Hey, let me know in the comments y'all want to see, you feel me? SRT versus the RS, man. Stop playing. You know what it is. You know what
Yo, we about to have all y'all vote. All y'all vote. What speaker's better?
we got no backseat, just race people.
That nigga locked in. Yo, play that Young Nudie song. Play that Young Nudie song. We got down. We got down.
If you get
Who you got?
clear, you won.
You got him?
I got two.
I can't. Who you got?
I got the bag.
Listen, if they can get that clarity straight, I got the best.
Every day, cause I know you die, you